If you are a distributor or dealer and you still rely on Excel sheets, WhatsApp chats, and intuition to manage inventory, you are not running a business. You are running a guessing game. And it's costing you more than you think. Every time your team says, "We are out of stock," or "We overordered this item again." That's not just a small operations issue. That's missed revenue. That's dead inventory. And that's cash stuck in your warehouse doing nothing. You lose sales. You lose cash flow. And worst of all, you lose customer trust. This happens because your tools aren't talking to each other. Sales doesn't know what purchase is doing. Purchase is guessing what to reorder. Warehouse is just reacting. No live data. No system. Just chaos. That's where ERPNext comes in. It gives you live stock visibility across locations, smart reorder levels, automated purchase planning, dealer-specific pricing, and reports that actually help you make decisions. Sales, purchase, inventory all synced in one system. If you are tired of running blind and want real control over your distribution business, connect with us. We'll show you how distributors like you are scaling without the mess. Let's fix the leak before it bleeds you dry.